Pumpkin seeds may seem like a simple snack, but these tiny nutritional powerhouses can have incredible effects on your health when eaten regularly. Read on to find out what incredible changes you can expect in your body when you start eating pumpkin seeds every day. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are the edible seeds of pumpkins. They are full of important nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. While pumpkin seeds make for a tasty snack, eating them regularly can provide some powerful health benefits. From improving heart health to promoting weight loss, pumpkin seeds pack a nutritional punch. In this article, we'll explore the top changes you can expect in your body when you start eating pumpkin seeds every day. From anti-aging effects to better bladder control, pumpkin seeds can transform your health in surprising ways. We'll also bust some myths about pumpkin seeds and give tips on how to add them to your daily diet. So read on to learn how making pumpkin seeds a regular part of your meals and snacks can radically improve your overall well-being. Body transformation number 1. Reduced inflammation. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays an important role in controlling inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to health problems like heart disease, arthritis, and diabetes. Munching on pumpkin seeds every day helps reduce inflammation for better overall health. The zinc in pumpkin seeds also fights inflammation. Zinc is essential for the proper functioning of the immune system. Getting enough zinc ensures your immune cells can communicate effectively to control inflammation. The phytosterols found in pumpkin seeds have anti-inflammatory effects as well. By having pumpkin seeds daily, you can rein in chronic inflammation that can quietly damage your body over time. Lowering inflammation will help you feel better day to day while also reducing your risk for serious diseases down the road. Body transformation. Number 2. Healthier heart. The nutrients in pumpkin seeds do wonders for your cardiovascular system. The healthy fats, antioxidants, and minerals in pumpkin seeds all contribute to better heart health. The monounsaturated fats in pumpkin seeds improve your cholesterol levels. Having more good HDL cholesterol while lowering bad LDL cholesterol protects your arteries and reduces your risk for heart attack and stroke. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in antioxidants. These compounds counter the oxidative damage from free radicals that can create plaque in your arteries. The potassium in pumpkin seeds helps lower blood pressure as well, taking further strain off your ticker. Magnesium from pumpkin seeds also keeps your heart rhythm steady. Proper magnesium levels reduce your risk of arrhythmias and palpitations. Overall, by eating pumpkin seeds every day, you'll keep your heart in top working order for years to come. Body transformation. Number 3. Sharper brain. You'll get more than just a nutritional boost from pumpkin seeds. Your brain will get a boost too. Those healthy fats we mentioned are great for your brain. Getting more monounsaturated fats may improve memory and prevent cognitive decline. Pumpkin seeds are also loaded with zinc, an important mineral for proper neurological function. Zinc assists in neuron transmission, which is crucial for learning and memory. The zinc in pumpkin seeds may help improve recall and mental quickness. The antioxidants and magnesium in pumpkin seeds also promote better brain health. By fighting inflammation and improving blood flow, they reduce your risk for stroke and age-related mental decline. So be prepared for improved focus, a better memory, and quicker thinking when you start eating pumpkin seeds every day. Body transformation. 4. Increased energy. Feeling tired all the time? Pumpkin seeds can help. The protein and healthy fats in pumpkin seeds provide sustained energy. You'll avoid energy crashes from spikes and drops in blood sugar. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in iron, which carries oxygen to your tissues and cells. Proper oxygen circulation fights fatigue, so you have get up and go all day long. The magnesium in pumpkin seeds also plays a key role in energy production. Magnesium is necessary for creating ATP, your body's main energy molecule. With a handful of pumpkin seeds a day, you can kiss fatigue goodbye and power through your daily activities with ease. Body transformation number 5. Better bladder control. This one may surprise you, but pumpkin seeds can improve bladder control and urine flow. How? The pumpkin seed oil contains chemicals that help relax the bladder and urinary tract muscles. This relieves pressure and allows for complete emptying of the bladder. Pumpkin seed oil supplements are sometimes used to treat urinary incontinence and overactive bladder. For men, the zinc and other nutrients in pumpkin seeds may help improve prostate health and urinary function. Pumpkin seed oil combined with saw palmetto oil is a proven natural therapy for benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. So both men and women can benefit from better bladder control and urinary function thanks to the power of pumpkin seeds. Busting myths about pumpkin seeds. Now that you know all the amazing things pumpkin seeds can do for your body, let's bust some common myths. Asterisk myth: pumpkin seeds are fattening. Asterisk. Fact: pumpkin seeds are low in calories and full of nutrients. Their healthy fats and protein promote satiety, so you eat less overall. Myth: roasted pumpkin seeds aren't as healthy. Asterisk. Fact: roasting actually increases pumpkin seeds' antioxidant levels. Myth: pumpkin seeds can help you sleep. Asterisk. Fact: there's no evidence for this, but their magnesium content may help reduce nighttime leg cramps. Myth: pumpkin seeds cause acne. Asterisk. Fact: there's no scientific link between pumpkin seeds and acne. In fact, their zinc content may improve skin health. Tips for adding pumpkin seeds to your diet. To get all the amazing benefits of pumpkin seeds, aim to eat at least 1–2 tablespoons per day. Here are some easy ways to add them to your daily diet. Sprinkle raw pumpkin seeds over oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Snack on roasted pumpkin seeds straight or add them to trail mixes. Use pumpkin seed butter instead of peanut or almond butter. Add pumpkin seeds to baked goods like muffins and breads. Blend pumpkin seeds into smoothies, energy bites, or protein bars. Try pumpkin seed milk as a nutritious beverage. Top chicken, fish, or veggie dishes with toasted pumpkin seeds. With so many options, there's no excuse not to get your daily dose of pumpkin seeds. Start transforming your body today. The proof is in the pumpkin seeds. Eating this superfood daily provides remarkable benefits for your health and body. With reduced inflammation, a healthier heart, a sharper brain, increased energy, and better bladder control, pumpkin seeds can be a total game changer for your overall well-being. So don't wait, start munching on those pumpkin seeds today. Your body will thank you for it. Stay tuned after the break for a quiz on pumpkin seed benefits to test your knowledge. But first, a quick disclaimer. The content in this article is for informational purposes only. It's not intended as medical advice and should not replace advice from your doctor. Always consult your doctor before making major changes to your diet or lifestyle.